Good morning. Our lesson of today is the Callister lesson. It's a new lesson, but it's very exciting lesson. Let's see what we will learn in Callister lesson. We will learn how to subtract the whole tens numbers from any number formed from two digits. What are the whole tens numbers? They are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. If we subtract any whole tens number from any number formed from two digits, in the answer, we will see that the tens digit will change, but the ones digit will not change. Let's see an example. 74 minus 10 equals, if I say 4 minus 0, it will be 4. And 7 minus 1, it will be 6. See, this answer, it's 64. Notice, the ones digit here is 4, and the ones digit here is 4. So, no change in the ones digit. But the tens digit here is 7, and the tens digit here is 6. There is a change in the tens digit. 74 minus 20 equals what? As we said before, we will not change the ones digit. But 7 minus 2 equals 5. 74 minus 30, it's a number formed from two digits minus a whole tens number. So no change in the ones digit. This 4 will be 4. And 7 minus 3 equals, close your fingers and count after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, it's 4. 44. 74 minus 40, as we said before, it's a number formed from two digits minus a whole tens number. So no change in the ones. And 7 minus 4 equals, after 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 3 fingers. It's 34. 74 minus 50 equals, no change in the ones, and 7 minus 5 equals 2. 74 minus 60, as we said, no change in the ones, and 7 minus 6 equals 1. It's 14. Now open your school book page 72. The first Callister card is 64. Let's do our rule. Number 1, I will subtract 10 from 64. 64 minus 10 equals, no change in the ones digit, and 6 minus 1 equals 5. The second, I will subtract 20. 64 minus 20. As we said from before, the ones digit here is 4. We will not change the ones digit. And the tens digit is 6. 6 minus 2 equals 4. 64 minus 30. No change in the ones digit. And 6 minus 3 equals 3. It's 34. 64 minus 40. No change in the ones digit. And 6 minus 4 equals 2. 64 minus 50. It will be 14. The second one, 87. I will subtract 10 from 87. The answer will be 77. Do you know why? Because no change in the ones digit, and I will subtract 1 from this 8. 8 minus 1 equals 7. Then I will subtract 20 from 87. 7 minus 0 equals 7, so no change in the ones digit. And 8 minus 2 equals, after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers do I have? 6 fingers. It's 67. Then I will subtract 30 from 87. 87 minus 30. No change in the ones digit. And 8 minus 3 equals 5. 87 minus 40. No change in the ones digit. And 8 minus 4 equals 4. It's 47. I will subtract 50 from 87. No change in the ones digit. And 8 minus 5 equals 3. 87 minus 60. I will not change the ones digit. And 8 minus 6 equals 2. The third card is 92. Let's subtract 10 and 20 and 30 and 40 from the 92. 92 minus 10 equals, as we said from before, no change in the ones digit. And 9 minus 1 equals 8. 92 minus 20. 9 minus 2 equals 7. And no change in the ones digit. 92 minus 30. No change in the ones digit. And 9 minus 3 equals 6. 92 minus 40. No change in the ones digit. And 9 minus 4 equals 5. 92 minus 50. No change in the ones digit. And 9 minus 5 equals 42. Now, let's learn how to subtract the whole hundreds from any number formed from 3 digits. What are the whole hundreds? They are 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, and 900. How can we subtract the whole hundreds? In the answer, the 100 digit will change, but the ones digit and the tens digit will not change. Let's see the examples of the school book, page 73. Number 1, 720. I want to subtract a whole 100 from 720. I will subtract 100 first. See, the ones digit will not change and the tens digit will not change, but the 100 digit will change. 7 minus 1 equals 6. Let's subtract 200 from 720. Again, let's see, the ones digit will not change, the tens digit will not change, but 7 minus 2 equals 5. 720 minus 200 equals 520. Let's subtract 300 from 720. The ones digit will not change and the tens digit will not change, but the 100 digit will change. 7 minus 3 equals 4. 720 minus 400. The ones will not change, the tens will not change. 7 minus 4 equals 3. 720 minus 500. The ones digit will not change, it will be 0. The tens digit will not change, it will be 2. 7 minus 5 equals 2. 720 minus 600. The ones digit will not change, it will be 0. And the tens digit will not change, it will be 2. 7 minus 6 equals 1. Now, 910. Let's subtract 100 from 910. The answer will be 810. Why? Because the ones digit here will not change, and the tens digit here will not change. We will change only the 100 digit. 9 minus 1 equals 8. Again, do you know why? Because 0 minus 0 equals 0. And 1 minus 0 equals 1. So we will not change the ones digit. We will not change the tens digit. And the only change will be in the 100 digit. 910 minus 200. No changing in the ones, no changing in the tens, and 9 minus 2 equals 7. 910 minus 300. No changing in the ones, no changing in the tens, and 9 minus 3 equals, close your fingers and count after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers do you have? 6 fingers. It's 610. 910 minus 400 equals 510. No changing in the ones, no changing in the tens, and 9 minus 4 equals 5. 910 minus 500. No changing in the ones, no changing in the tens. 9 minus 5 equals 4. Our homework today is booklet page 47 and 48. Thank you.